Using Scrum can help your team create and launch a great digital product, but just saying Scrum won't make it happen. Scrum is a way to manage projects, so it needs to be done correctly. Making some big mistakes can cause the project to fail. 1. Explain Scrum and its rules to everyone on the team. This might sound obvious, but it is very important. If your web development team doesn't fully understand what Scrum is and how it works, you won't get all the good things from using it. Instead of working well together, you might have problems and confusion. Instead of using time well, your team might waste time and not get much done. The result: low productivity. 2. Follow the rules for retrospectives. The retrospective, or retro, is a very important part of Scrum, so it needs to be done the right way. It's not just a fancy name. It's a special meeting with rules. Many Scrum teams waste time in retrospectives because they don't follow the rules. Remember, a sprint retrospective is a chance for the team to improve how they work. For a sprint that lasts about a month, the retro should take no more than 3 hours. Taking longer is not helpful. During the sprint retrospective, team members should share their thoughts about the finished sprint, how the work went, how they got along, the work environment, decide what worked well and what didn't, suggest ideas to improve and make a plan to do them. 3. Avoid interruptions. Even though Scrum teams plan all their work in a sprint backlog, sometimes urgent tasks come up that interrupt the flow. While some interruptions can't be avoided, it's best to keep them to a minimum. If your team has to stop their planned work too often, they won't be as productive and may not finish their sprint goals. 4. Hire a skilled Scrum Master. Scrum teams manage themselves, but that doesn't mean they don't need a Scrum Master. A good Scrum Master is very important to help the team work well. But what does a Scrum Master do? Simply put, the Scrum Master makes sure the team follows Scrum rules and practices. They organize daily meetings and retrospectives, coach team members, and remove problems that slow down work. The Scrum Master also works with the product owner to help manage the product backlog. 5. Focus on the value your team delivers. Many Scrum teams pay too much attention to velocity, which means how much work the team finishes during a sprint. Teams often use story points to measure velocity. Even though velocity is an important number in Scrum, it should not be the team's main goal. The Agile Manifesto says that working software is more important than lots of paperwork. This means your team should try to deliver real value, not just finish tasks for the sake of points. Conclusion: Scrum is a great way to help teams work better and deliver great software. But just knowing Scrum is not enough. You need to follow the right steps and rules to make it work well. Training your team, having good meetings, avoiding interruptions, hiring a skilled Scrum Master, and focusing on real value will help your team succeed. When done right, Scrum can make your projects faster, smoother, and more successful.